Hello friends and welcome to this video. Today I will share with you friends how to add a Redotpay virtual card to Google Play. So friends, after logging your app or download the app, the first step, download the app on Play Store or App Store, from App Store. After that guys, when you get virtual card, all you have to do, go to Google Play and go to payments subscription. From the payment and click on the payment and click on your payment here, and then add your own virtual card from here. That's come from Redotpay. So guys, this is how you can do, add your own virtual card payment, add virtual card number to your Google Play. And this is same thing on your laptop, PC, on your mobile app, guys. Just download the app, Google Play Wallet. Just download Google Wallet, guys. Google Wallet app. After download the Google Wallet, guys, this is download the app, and then you can add your virtual card easily on Redotpay virtual card. This is how you can do, guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to give like and give share this video for more content, and see you another video soon.